Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a Human Resources Manager job application letter, and I'll walk you through every single part of the letter step by step. I'll explain what to write in each section, why it's important, give you useful tips, and I'll also read the sample of the letter, so you clearly know what your own letter should sound like. You see, a Human Resources Manager job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a leadership role in human resources. This letter highlights your experience in managing people, policies, compliance, and company culture. Because HR managers handle sensitive employee matters and work closely with management, this type of letter must sound professional, trustworthy, confident, and strategic. Now, let's go through the letter step by step. Check this out: sender's information. At the very top of the letter, we start with the sender's information. This includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. This section tells the employer exactly who you are and how they can contact you. Here is the sample sender's information from the letter. Laura Jennings, 5872 Brookhaven Lane, Atlanta, Georgia, 30339. Phone, 4045-559276. Email, laura.jennings@email.com. Even though this section is short, it's still very important. Always make sure your contact details are accurate and professional. This part doesn't need fancy wording, just clarity and neat formatting. Date. Next is the date. The date shows when the letter was written and lets the employer know your application is current. Here is the sample date, May 4th, 2026. Always use a full date format like this to keep your letter formal and professional. Employer's information. After the date, we write the employer's information. This section shows that your letter is addressed specifically to this company and not sent randomly. Here is the sample employer's information. Hiring manager, Northbridge Solutions Inc., 4100 Cumberland Parkway, Suite 900. Atlanta, Georgia 30339. This part is important because HR professionals are expected to be detail-oriented. Including the full employer information immediately shows professionalism and care. Subject line. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter. Here is the sample subject line. Subject: application for Human Resources Manager position. This helps the hiring manager immediately understand what the letter is about, especially when reviewing many applications. Salutation. Now we move to the salutation, which should never be skipped. Here is the sample salutation. Dear hiring manager. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, this is the safest and most professional option. Including a salutation shows respect and proper business etiquette. Opening paragraph, introduction. Now let's talk about the first main paragraph, also called the opening paragraph. This paragraph introduces the position you're applying for and briefly highlights your overall value. Here is the sample of the opening paragraph. I am writing to apply for the Human Resources Manager position at Northbridge Solutions Inc. I bring a strong background in human resources leadership, employee relations, and organizational development, along with a commitment to building compliant, engaged, and high-performing workplaces. When writing this paragraph, always mention the job title and company name clearly. This paragraph is important because it creates the first impression. A strong opening shows confidence and professionalism. Keep it focused and avoid unnecessary personal details. Second paragraph, experience and responsibilities. Next is the second main paragraph, which focuses on your experience and core HR responsibilities. This is where you prove that you are qualified for the role. Here is the sample paragraph. Throughout my career, I have managed key HR functions, including recruitment and onboarding, performance management, employee relations, and policy development. I have worked closely with leadership teams to align HR strategies with business goals while ensuring compliance with employment laws and company standards. I am also experienced in handling sensitive employee matters with discretion, fairness, and professionalism. This paragraph is very important because employers want to see real HR experience. Mentioning compliance, employee relations, and leadership collaboration shows that you understand the full scope of HR management. A good tip here is to match your experience with the company's needs, which makes this paragraph especially strong and convincing. Third paragraph, strengths and value. Now we move to the third main paragraph, where you talk about your personal strengths, leadership style, and contribution to the company. Here is the sample paragraph. I am known for my ability to lead HR initiatives that improve employee engagement, strengthen company culture, and support long-term growth. I value clear communication, data-informed decision-making, and collaborative leadership. I believe my experience and strategic approach would allow me to contribute meaningfully to Northbridge Solutions Incorporated. This paragraph helps the employer understand how you work as an HR leader. It's important because HR managers influence company culture and employee satisfaction. A tip here is to connect your strengths directly to the company so the employer can picture you in the role. Closing paragraph. Next is the closing paragraph, which leaves the final impression. Here is the sample closing paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my leadership and HR expertise can support your organization's goals. I'm available for an interview at your convenience. This paragraph is important because it shows appreciation, confidence, and openness to the next step. Always sound polite and professional, not demanding. Closing and signature. Finally, we end the letter with a professional closing and the applicant's name. You can write it like this. Sincerely, Laura Jennings. This completes the letter and keeps it formal and business appropriate. Before we finish, here are some final reminders. Always tailor your human resources manager job application letter to the company. Keep your tone professional, balanced, and confident. Focus on leadership, compliance, and people management. Remember, a strong HR letter shows trust, fairness, and strategic thinking. And that's how you write a human resources manager job application letter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.